boy feels just like home, comes with a welcome mat. A brown-eyed boy. Friday night, meet at that bar we like, right by that bar we hate. Friday night, a couple whiskey shots, cherry stem tying race. Friday night. And we dance, dance, now my head's on your shoulder. And we drink, drink, feeling braver and bolder. Stumbling down along Harvard Street. You laughed at my joke, I lay my heart at your feet. And today we lay beneath soft lavender sheets in a little yellow house in a sleepy, sleepy town. If today we stay curled up, just you and me, and we don't leave this yellow house, talking till the sun goes down, that's okay with me. Red car down the 128, finding beaches that sing. A summer sun meeting up with the waves, look, the sky's turning pink. A brown-eyed boy climbing rocks by the shore, hair covered in sand. A brown-eyed boy making silly songs up, her guitar in his hand. Dance, now your head's on my shoulder. And we laugh, laugh, feeling braver and bolder. We said goodbye down at 8 Clary Street, not knowing for certain the next time we'd meet. And today we lay beneath soft lavender sheets